Yo, what is up, homies? It is the start of a new bloody week. Last week was a very tough one. Four losses, no wins all week, which was a bit of a mad one. Didn't see it coming, but everything is a lesson. Everything we've got to learn from, especially early on, and definitely learned that number one, I need to back test more. I know, having said that, I haven't back tested over the weekend just because I've been busy. Um, Number two, I need to just take the highest quality setups only. And I think that was the thing that used to let me down when I was trying my other strategies. I would start off strong because I knew what I was looking for, and then there would be something that like creates this mindset shift that makes me just start taking anything. And I think it was passing that challenge. I guess I was like, can you see the cat's tail just coming into the shot? I think I was. I guess I just let my foot off the discipline gas. Anyway, I have decided that I'm going to start every session with a little breathing exercise. So I'm going to do 10 minutes of Wim Hof. I don't know whether I'm going to keep recording these every time, but I'm just going to start with this one. It's 10 minutes, so yeah. I don't think anyone watches these anyway, so I don't care.
Hi guys, welcome. This is a guided breathing session. Relax to the deepest. Lie
I
down,
think this
sit
cat's
down,
going to just walk all
whatever
over
it
this
takes.
fucking
Relax.
laptop as well. Where are you going?
Are you ready?
Don't walk on it.
Here we go. Round number one.
He's sitting with me now.
Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just go with the flow of the breath. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, into the belly, into the chest, and let go. Like a wave. Make it circular. Pulling in and letting go. Just keep on going. No pause between inhalation and exhalation. Five more. Let's give it all we got. Last one. Pull in and let go. All right. 1 minute breath hold from now on. Be in this moment. Let the body do what the body is capable of doing. Be aware of your heartbeat. Slow it down and just be in this moment. Let that relaxation spread down to your toes, into your fingertips, to the base of your neck and head. You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. Okay, recovery breath in, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Round number 2. Back into that rhythm. Breathe in, breathe are tingling, or you feel your body temperature is changing, that's okay. You're doing fantastic. If you need to breathe before I give the cue, that's okay. You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. When you are ready, fully in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Round number 3. Back into that rhythm. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. In with the relaxation, out with the stress. In, out, in,
Nice. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna do a quick analysis then. So we've still got this higher time frame target. No real need to check the weekly, although we could. Yeah, we're definitely gonna take this high in this next coming few days. So we've got a clear draw on liquidity. We do have hourly, a daily fair value gap as well. So we will see. I don't think it's going to be very necessary at this point, but could be. The hours selling, the 4 hours selling, the hours selling. So actually, okay. So this might be our target, but it is overall counter trend. But I'm gonna say it's pro trend for now because we've got that target. We are closing all gaps there. We are respecting bearish gaps, so it makes sense. We also accumulated here, manipulated, and we've distributed below that accumulation. So at the moment, I would say that makes sense. Got a 15-minute gap here that we could come into to sell to, with an accumulation here. So if we come above this, I think this is what I'm looking for. Move above this to come and take out this. I just want to see if there's any reason on some higher time frames that we could come higher. So we do have a 30-minute gap there. And soon we're about to close a 1 hour gap. So I think what I would like to see is the close of that 1 hour gap. However, look at this little move happening. Okay, so we do have, this is an accumulation on all these other time frames except for the one. So I'm going to wrap this up as accumulation. And we are literally about to start moving in this macro time as well. Annoyingly, we just closed that gap straight away, so that is quite annoying. Wish we didn't do that, but we have done that. So there's our manipulation. Looking like we might still make a 5-minute gap and a 3-minute gap, so either way we still could be looking like we might get in on one of these. So we've got to wait a couple more minutes, 3 more minutes now to see if we close a 3 minutes gap. Took these highs, which is nice. This is looking really good if I can get in on this. We've got 5-minute gaps there. I would love to see us not close past this. Could be worth taking that high there as well, but it's not completely necessary. Oh, hang on. Something that is disagreeing with this point is that we've just tapped into an order block on these lower time frame, on these higher time frames. So this could be actually it. This could actually be a buy move. I think it's going to be worth finding out and seeing what the price tells us. But this could be the end of the sell because we have took a lot of accumulation, a lot of lows there, and we've also swept this. So we've got liquidity, and just tapped into quite an important area. So yeah, we're gonna have to see what this is telling us really. If that is the case, then we're gonna be aiming for that high, but I don't see that happening, to be honest. I think realistically I'd like to see this high get taken, tap into this 30-minute gap, and then we can start our distribution. But we'll see, because that was quite a big just push down and push straight back up. It's a tough one really. We do have a gap here that we could invert, but to be honest, I think I would like to see us invert this, which we have just created, which is nice. But let's see, we are in the macro time. Got a big gap here as well, so we'll see. But we gotta just judge it off what's being respected and what's being disrespected. We need all things to line up. It could be quite annoying if we look for a sell and we've literally caught at the bottom of this. But it absolutely could be the case. As annoying as it would be, it really could be the case. Did we take that low? 60. Yeah, we did. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Okay, that gives me a bit more confidence that this might be a selling move then now, because we didn't take this 5-minute low. I always forget to consider order blocks. I used to trade strictly only order blocks, and now I don't. And we do have an inverted fair value gap there. Don't know how obvious it is as a gap. Ah yes, we need to take this high, I forgot. Realistically, we've come this far now. I'd love to see us take that high. And then reverse. But let's see, I feel like with these situations, although we are slowing down again, which is good. But I'd like to see us do that in the next 5 minutes so that the 15-minute doesn't invert this. I'd like to see bang, bang, reject, reject, both of them. And I'm not going to get in on this inverse fair value gap either. If we get in on an IFEG before that, it's going to be this. But I do really feel like this needs to go. So maybe that's going to be part of the trading setup. Or we could close this, tap into a 1 hour gap, which we will end up creating. You know, if this 15-minute does close, it's not going to be the end of the world because we've still got the 30 and the hour, that as long as we tap into these higher areas. Like that high. Hour and high is going to be what we try and tap into, innit? Okay, I'm not going to take this trade until this high gets taken. I'm saying it, I've said it, stand by it. We need a manipulation above that high for this to be valid. And this is looking like a small accumulation at this point as well. As long as we don't come below these lows, I would actually like to call this a little accumulation. So let's see if we respect these lows. Right, I need to backtest these macro times, because if I could just trade 20 minutes a day, just trading macros, I think we're going to take this high. It's looking like we might. I need it to come soon though. And if we do, then this is going to be my IFEG down here. I'll draw that out actually. No, don't take the lows yet. Fuck. Wick. I need a wick. I need a wick. No, that is not what I wanted to see. I did say I'm not going to take that trade unless that high goes. But now that 15-minute has just rejected heavy. Ah, fuck. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Oh wait, we still have that's still a 30-minute gap as well there. Alright. I guess I've got to go back on what I said, unfortunately. go. I'm gonna go like that. So I need 4 pips, 3 lots. Yeah. Alright, ready to go. I don't trust this. It's gonna depend on how this reacts to this gap that it's just made as well, because that could be accumulation manipulation that way. Let me move this out of the way for now. See, look, this inverts now. I think the bias is. I think we're still aiming for that high there. We have a bit of a mad move. Okay, now we had 2 pips. Stop. Kind of got both directions going at the moment. Although it did just react after that. That looks like it's gotta be the next one. Although the 15-minute rejected it. Tough call this. Don't really know. Don't think I can judge it off just that. We did take enough liquidity here. It's not like we have to take this higher. Alright, I think I will be in this if we can close past it. If we invert it, I'll be in on it. I'll take it. Don't understand why the price is so different. Like 29 and that's on 34. Oh, we didn't invert it. We might invert on the 5. Maybe. Where are we off to here? I feel like that might have been the point of our liquidity grab there. Chart's getting a bit messy though at the moment. But we are in sort of 5-minute gap right now. A bullish gap. I do really feel like this is the next high to go. I mean the next thing to go. I do. And we just closed. Yeah, look, we just closed a 1 hour thingy. I'm gonna try and get in on this. 2 pips. It's gonna be 6 lots. Don't think it's gonna be really possible, but we'll see. I have to try and get in at 46 if I do. Nah, not possible. I've already took the high. Have we? This was like last time, like it just whipped the high and I didn't, and then I got the chance to get in. Okay. Too late on that then. But we might now invert this. Now we've took that high as well. I feel like my bias has got a flip though. Like that, this area actually makes a bit more sense. Like that's a very far away target. I feel like I've just logged on and caught the bottom of a pullback. So we're now respecting bullish market structure. We just took this high and quite a large fair value gap. Nice. So let's have a little look at what we're looking at right now. We are in a 1 hour. We're in a 1 hour fair value gap. Bearish one. As well as 15-minute. And we've just tapped into this 15-minute order block bearish. So I am actually interested if we turn around now. If we start this turn now, then I'm interested in targeting that low. So that high is gone. Five minute is now bullish, but still everything else is bearish. So I think that makes sense. And we're going to try and get in on this 1 minute inversion. Which will be 4 pips. Which is 3 lots. Nice little respect of this fair value gap here as well. Outside the macro time, might go 5 on this actually, but we'll see, just in case we struggle to get entry there. Oh yeah, we're talking about a higher time frame accumulation, aren't we? Alright, at least we've got some market structure as well to give us a reason to take this. Alright, here we go. Lovely push. Got trying up for 41. What is the high on this? 82. Oh, okay. Alright, I think we're about to get in on this. Oh, 41 above. I mean 42. See if we can get a nice little position on this. 81 is our stop. In at 42. And our target is going to be 666. Looking like down here. I don't think that's going to be our full on target, but it's going to be the target for now. Also, I think this is going to be quite a long wait. Do you know what? I might just shorten this. Nah, I feel like this has got legs. There's no reason why this shouldn't hit 666. If we can get a lovely little 2-to-1 out of this as well. What I will do is move it a little bit to there. So TP is going to be 71. Alright, I'm going to write this out then. Also, during this trade, we could look for some others. And I would say that the AMD that we're looking at is on the it's 15-minute accumulation in it, so I'm going to draw that out. Got a 15-minute accumulation there. All right. Okay. New week. Feeling good. Lowered my risk as we are 7% down on this account, and I need to protect capital. Just entered a position. Looks decent. AMD on the 15-minute. All time frames above the 15-minute say bearish. So the move looks valid. I did just miss a smaller move on the 1-minute. Buy, but I'm trying to avoid counter moves. This one isn't 100% as we did react off a order block, bullish order block, but it still makes sense, and so far the trade looks good. I think it may be a slow one, so I will look for some moves inside too. Okay, so we're going 1R, 1%. I think we're going more than 1R actually, aren't we? $92. Let's just go 80, shall we? Just to play it nice and safe. So we're going 1.6R. Let's call that 1.6. And we are in at, So where's my entry? Don't know where I entered now. I think it would have been straight away actually, wouldn't it? 1412, I believe. Why am I writing AM on these? And it is the 17th of Feb. We're looking for sales. Cool. Let's see. This is looking good so far. Nice little reaction off of that. Off that gap there. That's another AMD right there. I think I'm too late to get in on it, but that's going to take that low now. I think it's way too small to even consider, but a 1 pip. A 1 pip move, yeah. Should go though. Definitely not going to get in on it with 1 pip. Okay, this is looking nice so far. We are 0.7 up. I'm going to draw out 1 to 1. I think once we hit 1 to 1, I'm going to go break even on this trade. As long as it makes sense in the market structure as well. So that's our 1 to 1 target. But we're going to try and push a little bit more out of this one. Looking really nice. We've got a gap here on the 1 minute. Nothing on any other time frames to really stop us at this point. So yeah, this is looking good. Now liquidity taken's okay actually. Alright, cool. 'Cause we throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Um, yeah. Yeah, this is going to be a long move. It's good that we're closing these gaps though. We're kind of making it safe to go to break even eventually. Looking like we're accumulating right here actually. This could be a second move. Let's have a look on the one if this is a good accumulation or not. How could I possibly be in drawdown already from that? How does that make sense? Stupid. Okay, we do have a 3-minute gap up there. We could come to, but we'll see. Right, it's starting to piss me off the difference, like the amount of difference between these two platforms. Like, it's actually annoying. That's a big move. Unfortunately, nothing for me to get in on, but that should definitely come and take this low now. Quite a shame. Ooh. Right. What are we looking at right here? Looking like we came into this 3-minute gap. I wouldn't really say this was an AMD setup. Yeah, it's not really an accumulation, it's a nice little rejection off this gap though. Obviously we want it to go that direction, but I don't want to overexpose myself at 2% on this. That would not be good. So this is not a second position that I would happily take. I'll wait a little longer for this one. But it should go. It still should go. Like, there's no reason why we're in a bad position at this point, but it's just not another position. This is not another setup to take. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make. This ain't another setup to take. Be debate. See, this is why we didn't get in on that in the second position. Well, we didn't take the low. So this has every right to come higher and take the higher. So it looks like we're gonna do. Is that? Okay, now that's a big old wick, that is, isn't it? Alright, so we've come into the high. Definitely don't want to go too much further now, to be honest. I wonder if this is a second position. Also, I want to see this reject, otherwise this ain't gonna be good. We might be in a bad position if this doesn't reject. A spot of pickle. I don't really see why this should lose though. I just think this is a pullback. Damn it, we did close that gap. Ah, fucking hell, this might lose, man. 81. We are close to stop loss right now. We're about to hit. They're out. Really? Really? Motherfucker. That just came out and took some fucking spread. Took the motherfuckers with spread out. Took the motherfuckers with bad spread. I think we're gonna lose this, which is a shame, really. Oh, I don't have to get out early. Fucking hell, man. The fucking losing streak continues. It's got me questioning whether these are valid AMDs again. It's just like, is this actually an AMD setup? I don't know. There's an argument for it and against it. I'm surprised we're not out yet, to be honest. We're quite lucky to still be in. But I think we're going to be out eventually. Stock possibly should have been at 83, but if it comes this high, I'm just going to get out anyway. Just going to let it take me out. 92 for the loss. This is insane, man. I can't believe this. I can't believe this is going to be a continued losing streak. We really shouldn't have come this high. We've invited that as well, so this is really not looking good. It's tough, man, because I feel like I guess I'm struggling with this bias idea at the moment. Like, we're in a place where it's like it could be that, it could be this. Like, we're in a second macro as well now. Um. Okay. Oh man, realistically, we're in this next macro. This should definitely be the next high that goes. If I was looking at this from an unbiased point of view, I'd be like, yeah, that's next. Which is fucked. Because I'm gonna be, that means I'm next. Oh boy. Having said that, if we invert this, then all is right with the world again. Still not sure if I would take a second position on it, but I don't know if that's just offering me a saving grace to get out of this or not. I don't know if I'm still in a safe position here. No, this thing pisses me off, man. Like, this thing pisses me off. How could there be that much difference in these candles? Fucking Sea Trader. Look, that's a doge. That's like a rejection bearish, and that's a strong bullish. What the fuck? Pretty sure we're out of this trade any minute now. We're gonna get stopped out. It's just messing around on us. Come on, take me out. Hurry up. This really isn't a good sign because this is just building more liquidity to take us out, I think. How are we losing again? This is 5 losses in a row. Bro, this happened to me last time, man. It happened to me last account and I did good on it. I did start off really well. And then I just went through a mad losing streak. Here we go, we're out. Don't even tell me that to 104 it took. Sick of seeing this, you know. Fucking sick of it. I thought I was above losing streaks. I thought this thing is so good that I can't even lose, man. What has happened to me? 104.79. We got a long way to pull this back now. I can't believe it though. I actually can't believe it. Like, baffled. Alright, we gotta go back to the drawing board on this, you know. Because this ain't right. This can't run. This cannot run. This just ain't right. I need to back test. Alright, done for the day. This losing streak continues, unfortunately.